Here, I'm drunk. I'm drunk.
And then we. Oh, okay, go home, bro.
Hey. Wait, with Anna and them.
They left,
And
but
the
then they
dog.
gonna
We
walk
took
around.
pictures with the dog.
We should have taken a picture.
That's what I was saying.
Should have done too.
Don't worry about a thing. Every little thing gonna be
Have a safe
alright.
ride. Sorry, they have to listen to all of
Oh no, no, you're very entertaining.
Sorry.
I hope everything works out.
We were talking about so much.
Yeah.
I know.
Shit.
Have a safe ride.
I will. Thank you.
No problem.
Rise up this morning.